hello, welcome to my channel. Well, thank you so much for those of you that have been watching my videos. I really appreciate. So I'm going to be creating a bun on my face, and I'm going to be using my normal product, which is that top comb, and I'm just going to be applying it on that part of my cheeks. And yeah, to rub in that well, I'm going to be using Epa, which is a Nigerian swallow made from cassava. Yeah, so I'll be placing it on that part where I've applied glue onto, and I'll be making it flat so it doesn't look so thick. So you just need to try and press it in. It might be breaking, but you just need to keep on pressing it in very well. Then I'll be adding more glue because I want to add tissue on that. So that's me going in with another layer. And yeah, this is the tissue. So I'm applying this tissue so that it might help applying the foundation be smooth. But even though you don't put it, because in the last video that I used Epa, I didn't put tissue on it and the foundation stayed perfectly. But I was just trying out something new. You know, you need to like try new things in case you need to improvise one day. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to keep on blending that. Then now I'm going to be cutting that into two to create, like, let's say a cut kind of look. And like there was a bun and at the same time there was a cut in between or something pierced. I don't know if you get me, but that's it. So that's me cutting that out. So now I'm just going to be applying foundation onto that. So this is where the creativity comes in. This is where all the imaginations, all the everything starts to play along. That's where the colors and all. So I'm just blending in the foundation very well. Okay, at this point I don't know what to tell you people, so just keep on watching the video. As usual, just keep on watching, and then if I need to say anything I will say. But as you keep on watching, let me just finish up so I can stop talking and allow the music play. So once you're done with the foundation, I'm going to start with doing applying some colors to the edges. So while I'm applying colors to the edges, that's this part, is to help this part I'm just putting powder around it, is to help it look real, so all those cracks and all doesn't show that something was just placed there at the cheek. So yeah, that's what it's all about. So that's it here. So I'm applying at the edges. As you can see, it's already looking real. It doesn't look like I placed something there. And this thing was actually looking as if my cheeks were swollen. And myself, I was putting my mouth like that so that it look swollen and all. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Thank you all. Please share my video and subscribe if you can. Thank you. But watch to the end. Watch to see the end result. Bye.